Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. John here. On this day in May 2023, Misty, my cat, is walking around and being a bit weird. In this video, I'm talking about another one that has sadly had to go up for sale this evening. It's another Proton from the Coupland collection. Not overly happy about it, but I wanted to just have a chat with you about the car, its history, and why I've decided to put it up for sale, and have a look at the advert in case you fancy it. So it's a 1.3 GL, it's a Proton, it's a 1994 Proton. My cat is literally climbing the wall. Excuse me, pussycat. Here she is, she can do the video with us. It is a 1.4, and you might know this car from the weird car Twitter circles. It's Bill. She's having a godsend for my car. I got so you may know that I purchased Bill a couple of months ago now from a lad called Kez. Before that, Bill belonged to Retro Sammy and VHS Chloe, and he'd sadly fallen into a little bit of a sorry state due to getting vandalised. My wife is sending me Facebook stuff. Go away. I picked Bill up and saved Bill. Drove him, probably the best drive I've ever had, back to Lincolnshire, and spent the past couple of months tidying Bill up. And as you can see from the listing, and as you can see from the pictures, he's come up okay, but still needs a little bit of TLC. And as you're aware, that I've got the 6-car Proton collection now. I can't keep all of them, and so it's time now for Bill to go to a good new home. So let's talk about Bill then. 63,600 miles. It is a Proton 1.3 GL in this dark grey, as you can see here, with an interesting number plate. Yeah, because the number plate is actually Moan, M390OAN. Loads of people saying to me, John, have you had the number plate valued? Yeah, I have. It's about 200 quid. And I've put in the listing here then, overall acceptable condition and great starter, classic or cheap, reliable car. Cat N due to offside bumper, bump to wing and bumper, which has been repaired. That's true. Kez was involved in an accident. It wasn't his fault. Somebody boshed into the side of him and had to have sort of this area of the bonnet repaired, this new light repaired, and the bumper repaired as well. Mechanically very good. It's one of the best Protons I've ever driven. I drove it Protons, and if you know cars of this era, they're really thin and tilly-willy, and they're not, triple skinned like an Audi B5, for example. Sold from a larger Proton collection, it is. MOT until October. It's going to pass an MOT. I can't see any issues with this car not passing an MOT. Timing belt's been changed. Yes, we've done that. Serviced, usual sundries, oil filter, etc. Low mileage, 63,000 miles. And I can work a kettle. So I just want to show you some photographs of Bill. This wing has been repainted at some point by Kez. It could do with a flat and a polish and some lacquer adding. You can see that we've got this damage to this bonnet here. That can be pulled out, and you've also got these dints and marks on the on the car. Misty, will you stop it, please? There's the side view of the car and the back as well. And the interior, we'll look at that in just a moment. There it is, this lovely interior. Oh! She slipped and she scratched me. I must admit, I've got shorts on and she's just dug her claws into my legs. Thanks, Misty. That will become a meme of some sort, I'm sure. And there's the interior as well. 63,600 miles. And there's Bill. And I say, I just wanted to have a chat with you on this video as to why I've had to offer Bill up for sale, how much I've put Bill up for. I won't lie, I've put Bill up for 700 quid, not expecting to get anywhere near that. But the reason I've done that is to stop advertising it for 400 quid and having someone bang erase it, because that is what I don't want to happen. I don't want someone to come along with £400, take it, and then send it around a track, because that's an average price for a track car, right? So I'm going to be vetting the people that buy the car. Now, that sounds ridiculous. I have a genuine interest in Proton. I'm not a dealer, so I'm interested in making sure that this car goes to the right person, as opposed to me just getting a little bit of cash back on it. I paid an average price for the car. I paid quite a lot of a train ticket, nearly the price of the car on a train ticket to get up there, and then my time, my effort, and my sundries. It's probably cost me this to get it to the standard that it's at. I'm not here to make any money on it. I'm just here to save it. If you've enjoyed the video, let me know. There'll be more chats like this coming up. If you want Misty in any more of the videos, let me know. Crystal's in some of them. Can you... She's a wally, isn't she? Get out of here, cat. If you've enjoyed the video, smash subscribe, smash like if you haven't already done so. And until next time, have a great day. And I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.